Good morning friends, class 7, chapter number 10, triangle and its properties, exercise 10.4. In the previous video, we discussed about basic of exercise 10.4, in which we discussed about right angle triangle, what is we call sides of the right angle triangle, property between sides of the right angle triangle, we call say that Pythagoras theorem, and we discussed about Pythagorean triplets also, and how can we calculate shortest distance from a point to a line. Now exercise 10.4 first question, in triangle ABC which is the longest side, अगर हमारे पास एक ट्रायंगल ABC है तो उसमें लॉन्गेस्ट साइड किसको कॉल करेंगे. In the first part it is given that angle A is right angle. Angle A is 90 degree angle. It is given that, so we have to draw a triangle ABC in which angle A is 90 degree, and we know that the triangle in which one angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. So we just draw a right angle triangle, and in the previous video we discussed that in a right angle triangle the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is the longest side. So we observe that the side BC is opposite to 90 degree angle. So BC is the longest side. आप इसका रीजन कॉल कर सकते हो because it is opposite to angle A is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, you can try its second part also. Now we just discuss question number 2. In the question number 2, there are total 6 figures are given. So we discuss its first figure, यानी कि first part. Question number 2, first part. In the first part, the triangle ABC is given. Triangle ABC is given in which angle B is 90 degree, AB is 15 centimeter, and BC is 8 centimeter. And in the following triangle, find the length of the unknown side. Unknown side we have to calculate AC, यानी कि हमें यहाँ पर AC की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. Because it is a right angle triangle, so in this triangle we can use property between sides of right angle triangle. It means Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Now we can use Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, and we know that the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to perpendicular, it means 15 centimeter, and base it's 8 centimeter. So AC square is equal to 225 plus 64, and their sum is 289. And we know that 289 is the square of 17. It means we can note down 17 square. So finally AC is equal to 17 centimeter. So it means the unknown side is 17 centimeter. Now we discuss its second part. In the second part, a triangle is given. Triangle PQR. First we draw the figure of triangle PQR in which angle Q is 90 degree, and in which QR is 24 centimeter and PR is 26 centimeter. And in this question unknown side is P2. So we have to calculate value of PQ. Again, it is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. But in this question, the value of hypotenuse is given and base also given. We have to calculate perpendicular. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find out perpendicular. It means perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So PQ square is equal to hypotenuse. The side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So its value is 26 and base, its value is 24. So what is the square of 26? 676. And what is the square of 24? 576. So PQ square is equal to 100, and we know that 100 is square of 10. So we can say that PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. So the unknown side is 10 centimeter. Just note down. Okay, friends, now we discuss the sixth part. In the sixth part, a triangle XYZ is given in which angle y 90 degree and value of YZ is 9.9 centimeter, XZ is 10.1 centimeter. It is a right angle triangle, so we can use again Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Yes, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. And I again repeat, the side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is given and these perpendicular we have to find out and base is given. So we again convert the formula according to perpendicular square. So perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So it means xy square is equal to 10.1 square minus 9.9 square. So xy square is equal to square of 10.1 is 102.01 minus the square of 9.9 is 98.01. And after subtract the value of 10 is 4, and we know that 4 is a square of 2. So we can say that xy is equal to 2 centimeter. So the unknown side is 2 centimeter. So I show question number 2 is clear. Remaining parts try yourself. They are very simple. You have to use Pythagoras theorem. Just note down. Okay, students. Now we discuss question number 4. In the question number 4, a rhombus of side 30 centimeter has one of its diagonals 36 centimeter. So सबसे पहले rhombus is a type of a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal. Rhombus एक ऐसा quadrilateral है जिसकी सारी साइड इक्वल होती है. According to question, the value of side is given 30 centimeter. And in this question, one diagonal is given 36 centimeter. Diagonal वो लाइन सेगमेंट है जो दो अपोजिट वर्टेक्स को जोड़ती हो, यानी कि कोई भी ऐसी लाइन सेगमेंट जो जोड़ती है किसी भी दो वर्टेक्स को, बट शर्त ये होनी चाहिए कि these vertex are not adjacent. So we have to join AC. So it is a diagonal and its value is given 36 centimeter. And we have to calculate length of the other diagonal, it is BD. हमें इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है and there is a special property in a rhombus कि in a rhombus diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. तो what property है? In a rhombus diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. यानी कि रोम्बस के डायगोनल्स एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट माने इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं एट 90 डिग्री. इट्स मीन दिस एंगल आल्सो 90 डिग्री. एंड बाइसेक्ट मीन अगर इसकी वैल्यू 36 सेंटीमीटर है तो इट्स वैल्यू इज 18 सेंटीमीटर. तो नाउ वी कैन यूज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इन ट्रायंगल ABP and calculate BP, and after this multiply by 2 we can find out value of BD. So now in triangle ABP, so its mean angle P 90 degree. So triangle ABP is a right angled triangle. और राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल अगर है तो वी कैन यूज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, एंड व्हाट इज द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. आई अगेन रिपीट, in a rectangle triangle the side opposite to hypotenuse is called, so side opposite 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So in this triangle the side 30 centimeter is hypotenuse, and we suppose perpendicular is given and we have to find out base. So we convert the formula according to base. So base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Base its mean BP. So BP square is equal to hypotenuse, its value is 30, and perpendicular its value is 18. So BP square is equal to 900 minus 324. 900 minus 324, the value we obtained is 576, and we know that 576 is the square of 24. Square of 24, so BP is equal to 24 centimeter. BP equal to 24 centimeter, but we have to calculate dB. So simply BD is equal to 2 multiply BP. It means 2 multiply 24 centimeter. तो आंसर इज 48 सेंटीमीटर. देखो आप ये स्क्वायरिंग करने के लिए कम से कम 30 तक के स्क्वायर याद करने हैं. जैसे 1 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1, 2 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4, इस तरह से आपको अप टू 30 तक, यानी कि 30 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 900. तो हम क्वेश्चन को वेरी इजीली सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. तो आई शो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज क्लियर. In the next video we continue exercise 10.4. Thank you very much.